Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're on the theme of dictionaries. So first of all, we're just going to create a dictionary called MyDict. And we're going to populate it with some names and ages. Steve, let's say 88, and Bill, say 55, and Paul 66. Whoops. 66. Okay, so another load of old coffin dodgers. Right, so we're going to create the first function here, which is going to be simple, called print dict. Okay, so actually, yeah, print dictionary. So print, and this is going to be my dict here. Okay, so let's call that print dict. Very simple. First part of the program, save and run, and there you go, it prints out the dictionary. Okay, so we're going to go a little bit further down here and we're going to create another function. Oops, hit the wrong key there, called dict length. So print length of my dict. Okay, so that's going to be dict length. Okay, I'm just going to save that. There, let's run that. And there you go, it gives us the length of the dictionary. Okay, let's do something else here. So we want to add a key and a value. So we're going to create add key value. Yeah, so we're going to create key, and this is going to be input. Yeah, it's going to be key, and then we're going to put value here, which is going to be inputs, which is going to be value. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to do my dict, and that's going to be key equal to value, and then we're going to print it out. Put in there print, that's going to be my dict. Okay, so I'm just going to call this, make sure it works. So we're going to call it add key value. Okay, so let's just save that, let's run it. Okay, we're going to add a key and a value to this dictionary. So let's say Mark 34, a bit younger, a bit of a spring chick. And oh dear, I've done that wrong. I didn't mean to do that. Let's try it again. Let's run it. Okay, so there we go, Mark, and the value is going to be the age, of course, 34. And there we go, it's added the key and the value Mark 34 to the dictionary. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to delete a key, so create a little function called delete key. Why not? That's clear enough for anybody who's reading the code. And when you write the code, you should always try and make it as readable as possible for anybody else who actually stumbles across your code. Right, so the key here is going to be equal to the input. Enter key to delete. Okay, and then we're going to do an if conditional statement. So if key in my dict, we're going to do something, and we're going to use this, which is going to be the delete my dict, and in braces here we're going to put brackets here, we're going to put key and then print my dict. Okay, now all we have to do is call this, and we're going to call it by delete key. Save it. Hopefully I've not made any typos. Right, so enter a key to delete. Let's have a look. Should we delete Steve? Why not? Goodbye, Steve. Been nice knowing you. Okay. There we go. So Steve has been deleted. Right. Okay. Yes, I didn't quite finish that off. Let's do an else statement here. So else print key not found, like that. So if we don't find a key, we're going to print key not found, and I'm going to put delete key here, which is going to take us back up to the function again. So let's just save that and run it, and let's type in a key that's not there. Joe, I don't think Joe's in there. Okay, Joe not found, so we've got enter a key to delete. Pete. Okay, key not found. Okay, so that's working. Right, okay, just close that. So that's just about it for this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it, and if you did, drop me a comment, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.